Sansevieria. This is an amazing air purifying plant and also oxygen booster, and it is expensive too. But you can grow them abundantly by just getting one plant. I just got one plant and I multiplied so many when I placed it for a large container. And easy to propagate by leaf propagation. Separate the leaf and place it in a pot, and very soon you can see a new growth like this. And this is how easily the sansevieria propagated by the stem. Just place it in a soil and very soon you will see the pups side to it from the mother plant. And this is how we can easily propagate the sansevieria. And this is variegated sansevieria just placed long back, and you just look at the base. It is almost multiplied with more number, and just look at this green sansevieria elongated with the number of pups at the basal region from the mother plant. And meanwhile I propagated the variegated sansevieria by leaf propagation, and let me see the result. I just want to separate this bundle of pups which are extended by the rhizome. You can observe so many plenty of the pups, and even I'm curiously waiting for variegated sansevieria, what will be the result of leaf propagation. Okay, it is fine. The variegated sansevieria also started developing the pups. This is how the sansevieria multiplies in high number just getting one plant. Now I'll shift all these plants to the other container so that from one container I can make more containers. You can place single plant in a container or more number in a container. You want to fill it, you can increase the number, and if you want a solo, you can plant a single plant in a container. I need the fuller sansevieria, so I'll place more pups and the mother plant in a container so that I can see it more crowded, and even I can increase the number of containers in free of cost. Just getting one plant and increasing more by just leaf propagation or by separating the pups. When you overcrowd the sansevieria, the growth will be very less, and very soon the container becomes fuller. The soil mix should be well drained soil, and this is how you can get more number of sansevieria. Sansevieria dwarf variegated, even this can be propagated by the pups, and these are number of pups arised from dwarf sansevieria. These are the pups of variegated dwarf sansevieria, and this is the result of leaf propagation.